Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already set up Gcash and entered the correct delivery address. Now start by finding the tracking number sent via SMS, email, or inside the app. Once you have that ID, open the Gcash app and tap the card delivery status. Make sure to copy the tracking number exactly. If the app shows a courier name, note it. This first step puts you in control and lets you move from waiting to actively monitoring where the card is in transit. Next, paste the tracking ID into the courier's website or app and watch the live status updates. You'll see terms like picked up in transit, out for delivery, or held. These tell you what to expect and roughly when. Once you see out for delivery, prepare to receive the card. Have your ID ready and phone available. If timestamps stop updating for more than 24 to 48 hours, note the last location and time. That information guides your next action. When the courier arrives, confirm their ID and compare recipient details before signing. Inspect the package for tampering. Once you have the card, open the Gcash app and complete activation steps right away so the card is usable and protected. If the card is missing, damaged, or delivery status shows delivered but you don't have it, file a claim with the courier and message Gcash support with tracking, photos, and timestamps. A single clear photo and the tracking log speed up resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.